I'm Marvi, and today I'm going to discuss about the fourth industrial revolution. So, remember back then when the teacher used to talk to us and we listened to them, and then after that we submit our tests and everything was done manually. And of course, everything started to change by the third industrial revolution that happened around the 70s. And then by the time the students started using computer calculator in high school, and it was a great success at the time. And then this era also been marked by something like pieces. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the fourth industrial revolution. So, industrial revolution number 4 started around 2011, and actually it was something like AI, artificial intelligence, and something like that. So, I think technology is really important because technology itself is a pillar, the main pillar to shape the future. The student and the teacher, while they are studying and teaching, will be more rewarding by this kind of technology as we use smart robots or smart computer. Even some universities develop student digital schools so that the student in the future can use that in their work field. And of course, it's really easy to say that everyone needs to learn to code, or everyone needs to learn coding. And that's all my explanation about the fourth industrial revolution. And now I'm going to talk about the education in the 21st century. Alright, just a long time ago, school was defined as something like the table, the whiteboard, or the chairs and something like that where you are sitting in a row. But the time has changed, the world has changed, and of course the model of learning has changed. It seems like when we are trying to remodel a house and then we just didn't paint and change the color, of course we need to upgrade something outdated about that. So this is what we're going to do with our education system. And here I talk about student-centered learning. There are 4 keys to student-centered learning. The first one is learning is personalized. What I mean by this is that the teacher and the student must have a connection between so they can understand each other. And the second one is learning is a competency-based. So it's not just like we just try to learn to pass a curriculum. It seems like we try to master something by that. And of course, we need something to learn to find ourselves in an interest we want, and it is based on individual needs. And the third one is learning happens anytime, anywhere. Students always find themselves not only based in something like traditional school behind the wall. They need to find the world around them anytime, anywhere. It's not only about school. And the last one, student take ownership. We as the teacher, we just can't take someone, just like we say something about student and we make our own decision about them because they are creating their own future, their own success about that. So thank you for watching.